It's the middle of the night in your Bronx home. The city is quiet, and you're finally getting some much-needed rest after a long day. Suddenly, you're jolted awake by the unmistakable sound of rushing water. A pipe has burst somewhere in your home, and water is pouring out fast. Water is flooding your floors, seeping into walls, and threatening to ruin your belongings. In these first few moments, every second counts. What should you do first? Don't panic. The most important step is to shut off your main water supply immediately. This will stop more water from gushing out and help limit the damage. Know where your main shutoff valve is located, usually in the basement, a utility closet, or near the water meter. If you're not sure, take a moment now to find it before an emergency happens. Turn the valve clockwise to stop the flow of water. It may take a few turns, so don't hesitate. Act quickly and firmly. If you can't find the main valve, use the smaller shutoff valves under sinks or behind toilets to at least slow the leak in specific areas. Once the water is off, your next priority is safety. Turn off electricity to any affected areas if it's safe to do so, especially if water is near outlets or appliances. Remember, water and electricity are a dangerous mix. Never risk your safety. If you're unsure, wait for help. Never step into standing water if the power is still on. Electrocution is a real risk in these situations. Now call for professional help right away. +1 888-862-0246. Don't wait, as the longer water sits, the more damage it can cause. A burst pipe is a major emergency. Don't try to fix it yourself. The pressure and damage can be much worse than it looks. The faster you call, the less damage your home will suffer. Emergency plumbers are trained to handle these situations and can arrive quickly, even in the middle of the night. Emergency plumbers in the Bronx can respond fast and make the necessary repairs to stop the leak and start the cleanup process. Acting fast protects your home, your belongings, and your family's safety. Quick action can save you thousands in repairs and prevent mold or structural damage. Remember, shut off the water, cut the power, and call a pro immediately. Preparation and quick thinking make all the difference in an emergency. Water spreads fast, soaks floors, walls, and even the frame of your home within hours. The longer you wait, the more expensive the repairs. Mold can start growing in as little as 24 hours, hidden behind walls and under floors. Mold isn't just property damage, it's a health risk, especially for kids and anyone with breathing issues. The cost of mold removal can be far higher than fixing the leak. Don't gamble by waiting or trying a temporary fix. Call an emergency plumber at +1 888-862-0246 to stop the leak before mold takes hold. Fast action saves your home and your health. DIY videos make plumbing look easy, but a burst pipe or sewer backup is no time for experiments. The real problem is often hidden, and a wrong move can make things worse, fast. You might break a corroded pipe or waste precious time while water keeps flooding. Professionals arrive with the right tools and know how to fix the issue safely and quickly. Emergency plumbing can involve electrical hazards and contaminated water, serious risks for amateurs. A failed DIY fix usually costs more in the end. Licensed plumbers guarantee their work and protect your home. In an emergency, skip the DIY, call the pros. When water is pouring in or a pipe suddenly bursts, you need a licensed and insured plumber, no exceptions. Emergencies can strike at any time, and having the right professional on your side makes all the difference. A license means the plumber is trained, tested, and follows local codes. It's proof they've met strict requirements and know how to handle even the toughest plumbing issues safely and effectively. Insurance protects your property and you from liability if something goes wrong. If an accident happens or damage occurs during repairs, you won't be left facing huge bills or legal headaches. Without insurance, you could be stuck paying for damage or injuries out of your own pocket. The costs can add up quickly, turning a simple repair into a financial nightmare. Licensed plumbers are accountable for their work and must meet professional standards. They take pride in their reputation and are committed to delivering quality service every time. Unlicensed handymen offer no guarantees and little recourse if they disappear or do a poor job. You could be left with unfinished work and no way to recover your losses. Always ask for proof of license and insurance. Reputable companies will provide it without hesitation. It's your right as a homeowner to know who's working in your space. You can verify licenses online through local government websites, giving you extra peace of mind before any work begins. In a crisis, don't risk it. Choose a qualified, protected professional who stands behind their work and your safety. It's the only way to ensure the job is done right, giving you confidence and lasting results for your home. Plumbing disasters don't wait for business hours. That's why 24/7 emergency services exist. When you call 1-888-862-0246, you reach a live dispatcher, not a machine. They assess your situation and dispatch the nearest on-call technician in the Bronx. Emergency plumbers arrive fast, with fully stocked trucks ready for any scenario. They have the tools and parts to fix most problems on the spot, no waiting for supplies. The technician quickly diagnoses and repairs the issue, stopping the leak and securing your home. Their goal: resolve the crisis and restore safety anytime, day or night. Fast, reliable professional help is always just a call away. That's peace of mind for Bronx residents. Emergency plumbing costs more than a regular appointment, but waiting will cost you far more. Every hour you delay, water destroys floors, walls, and belongings. Repairs can skyrocket. Mold growth adds even more expense. The emergency fee is an investment in stopping damage before it gets worse. Pros fix the problem right the first time, saving you money long-term. Don't risk a cheap, temporary fix. Protect your home and peace of mind. Immediate action is always the smarter financial choice. In Morris Park, a family called for help the moment a pipe burst. Reacting instantly, they knew that every second mattered. Their quick thinking set the stage for a successful outcome. Because they acted fast, damage was contained, and their furnace was saved from costly repairs. The family avoided a major headache and expensive restoration work. In Riverdale, a couple spotted a growing ceiling stain and called an emergency plumber right away, choosing not to ignore the warning signs. Thanks to their prompt response, disaster was averted, and their floors and furniture were spared from water damage. Their home stayed safe and comfortable. A South Bronx restaurant owner called immediately when a grease trap backed up, knowing that delays could mean closing the kitchen and losing customers. Because they didn't wait, business reopened within hours, avoiding lost revenue and keeping staff and customers happy. The lesson is clear: every minute counts when it comes to plumbing emergencies. Time lost can mean more damage and higher costs. Fast action prevents catastrophe, saves money, and reduces stress for everyone involved. Acting quickly brings peace of mind. Don't wait or hesitate. Call for professional help at the first sign of trouble. Even a small leak can become a big problem if ignored. Your best defense is a quick response. The sooner you reach out, the better your chances of avoiding disaster. The sooner you act, the less you lose, protecting your home, your business, and your wallet. For immediate help, call 1-888-862-0246. Don't let hesitation cost you. It's the right choice every time, because when you act fast, you protect what matters most.